Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for those of you that are new, my name is Marissa, also known as Homemaking with Marissa. I am going to be sharing a weekly grocery haul as well as my meal plan for the week. If you are new to my channel and have never seen one of my videos before, I have a family of 5. It's my husband, myself, and we have 3 sons, ranging in age from 3 to 16. We budget $250 per week for our groceries, and this is factoring that we are eating all 3 meals and all of our snacks from home. I also often don't purchase meat during groceries hauls. I buy those separately from a local butcher shop. Make sure and stick around until the end of the video where I will take you through what I am making with all of these groceries and show what we will be having for dinner each night this week. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit the red subscribe button. If you click the bell notifications, you will be notified anytime I upload a new video. Here is the overview of everything that I picked up this morning. I used Kroger ClickList and supplemented some of the missing items by running to Target. If you hear noise in the background, my son is in a Zoom call with school, so that's what's going on back there. I actually only ended up spending $230, even though my weekly budget is $250, which is nice. It'll free up some money for us to do a meat order, which is normally the way it works. Most of the time I don't spend the full $250, and I will have extra money in the budget to go once a month and pick up meat from the butcher shop. Starting over here, I include these types of things in my grocery hauls as well. I needed gift tags, I needed tissue paper, and I needed some tape for wrapping packages. Kroger was out of these mini bell peppers, but they did have them at Target, so I grabbed those there. My kids needed toothpaste. They've never used this watermelon flavor before. I don't know if they're going to like it, but I thought we would give that a try. Normally they use the bubblegum flavor. Toothpaste for my husband and I, baby bell peppers, bella mushrooms, russet potatoes. I like these kits of salad just because they are really quick and easy for lunch. I know that this is not the most cost-effective way to eat salad, but it is the easiest way to eat salad. And I've never tried these Simply Truth organic mixes before. They had this lemon parmesan that I thought sounded good, and then a couple of the Caesar. We like iceberg lettuce anytime we have tacos, and my oldest son will periodically have a salad with iceberg lettuce. Avocados, a lemon, I use this in tea, celery, asparagus, baby carrots, basil, Honeycrisp apples are our favorite, and Kroger doesn't charge more for Honeycrisp. Normally Honeycrisp are a lot more expensive than other types, but for whatever reason when you buy them in these packs, they don't charge you extra to select the Honeycrisp option. Most of the time I make my own coffees, but I thought that this sounded really good and I wanted to try it. A lot of times it's hard to find things like this with dairy-free milk. I do consume dairy, but when possible I try to find dairy alternatives. I'll let you guys know on Instagram what I thought about this. This cashew milk yogurt is for my youngest son. He has to be really careful with the amount of dairy that he consumes. When he was little, he couldn't have any dairy at all. We have started reintegrating some dairy into his diet, but he could not eat regular yogurt. These chicken nuggets. Nobody in my house is gluten-free, but they do like these gluten-free chicken nuggets. The waffle fries from Alexia. My kids like bars. I got them the Cliff bars this time. Strawberries. Once my kids notice these are in the house, they will be gone immediately. Some cheddar cheese. Nut thins. We've never tried this ranch flavor before. These are a really good snack for my teenage son. My husband likes to snack on these, so I did pick up a couple of different flavors this time. My husband really likes spicy food, so I found this sriracha flavor for him. And then My teenage son likes the cheddar cheese flavor. I also found these Cajun honey pop chips. My husband likes the pop chips and has never had this Cajun honey flavor before. Peanuts. Oh yes, it is. We like to get lightly salted. Bubbly. I don't know if we've ever got the cherry kind before. This was a substitution. Strawberry, and then I don't know what flavor this is. Lime maybe, or apple? Not sure, but either lime or apple bubbly. Extra virgin olive oil. I am making meatloaf and use this as part of the sauce. That recipe has already gone up on my channel. It is, in my personal life, this is my absolute most requested recipe. I've had multiple family members that have asked me when I'm going to film this so that they can try to recreate my meatloaf at home. I will link that in a card above. These are just little pepperoni sticks that my kids like to snack on. Lara bars, the mint chip, if you've never tried that, it's really good. Whole wheat hot dog buns. We live in Oregon. This is an Oregon-based company, but it is available nationwide. The Dave's Killer Bread is our absolute favorite brand of bread. It is far more affordable if I can get it at Costco, but I had no intent on going to Costco since it's so close to the holiday. Almond milk, I just keep these in the prepper pantry. 2 half gallons of organic milk. I had a coupon, which is why I bought 2 half gallons instead of just 1 full gallon. I also had a coupon for this mozzarella cheese, Parmesan cheese. For meats, I purchased 2 things of the pork and beef pepperoni. These hot dogs my kids like to have for lunch. 1 thing of bacon. I had a coupon for this. Normally I get this at the butcher shop, but when I have a coupon, I get it from Kroger. 2 things of sliced lunch meat, some English muffins, and then this was kind of cool. They put this in my car, just this little Christmas bag, which I thought was considerate of them. And it just had a couple of different treats in it, some oatmeal, which I really like this Bob's Red Mill brand. And then I never buy these for my kids, so I will probably split these between the 2 little kids, and they are gonna be really excited when they see that we have these. And then toilet paper. Normally I get this from Costco, but again, I just wasn't feeling like dealing with Costco, so I decided to just add it to my grocery pickup. Here is the meal plan for the week. This board came from the Target dollar spot several years ago. I will be making spaghetti and salad on Monday. I have a recipe on my channel showing how I batch cook spaghetti and freeze it. Tuesday we will be having tacos. Wednesday we're having breakfast for dinner. Do you serve breakfast for dinner? I have heard of some people that never have breakfast for dinner. This is something that I grew up doing. We don't do it often, but periodically my kids really enjoy having eggs and bacon and pancakes for breakfast, or excuse me, for dinner. Thursday, I'm going to pull out a freezer meal. Friday, we are making homemade pizza. Saturday, I'm going to be making meatloaf, asparagus, and homemade rolls. As I mentioned, this is already up on my channel, and I'll also link it in the description box down below. And then on Sunday, we are just going to have leftovers. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video today. If you are new and haven't done so already, you can subscribe by clicking on my face here. I will have an entire playlist full of grocery hauls here, as well as an additional video for you here. I hope you're all staying happy and healthy. Bye.